All right, let's start out on the Dr. Paul Dudley White Path. Not quite yet on the Esplanade. Basically, cycling the Charles River. We're heading into Boston now. Now, when you're approaching this spot here, I would recommend slowing down. I'll show you exactly why. We're going to go over this neat little bridge. There are pedestrians as well. Definitely don't want to be coming in there at top speed. Check the view out. Very nice. A couple crew boats out there training. And then you got another little bend here. So not really technically yet into the Esplanade. Right here going by BU Central and their little sailboat setup. But I think out here, one thing I would say is, you know, between here and Mass Ave Bridge, Harvard Bridge, you know, get a little more of a chance probably to push yourself, stretch it out a little if you're looking for that. It's a little less, it's definitely less congested than that main Esplanade area. On the right there, a little hangout area on the lawn. So there you have it. You can see Harvard Bridge up off to the left. Give this section a shot as well. I need to use it more as well. Great area outside over on this side of the bridge.